Ka menteri jong ketenan ke koi ke Khia ke kong am priling do ke lapan pau ya ke jing sngeu Khia ha ke baya de bar ke jingkiu ki Bampong Bampong kanser ha ke Jylla Meghalaya par kala ong ba ke Sorkar Jylla kelai Shim ya bon kilar kilenti bandar Diengkhong ya ke Jingpang Bampong ha ke Jylla ha ba klan ha ke program medical health cam bat ke jing ai jing sngeu thu alor ke koi ke Khia ke bala pelong da hospital ha Saint Jerome Higher Secondary School ke ba nong mensong ke kong am priling do kala ong ba ke Sorkar kelai Shim Khia ha ke baya de ba ke jingdon ki longkmi ki baklat ha ke por ba ki kha khon ha ki jaka sumar ki badon ha ke Jylla kala ong ba ke Sorkar ha ke jing trelang bat ki jaka sumar shimet insala ban wanra ya ke jing sumar ke babiang bat ke babha sha ki paiba ha ke wei pat ke liang kit khot jang ke bot ke hospital bat ke menteri ke koi ke Khia ka bat uba el hek kila ong bai menta don ka man beli jingmut ha ke baya de bat ke rukom sumar ke babiang nama ke Jylla ke don ka me kene ke la chingrap la ban ong bah kene ke kam kila don chibun ngut kibriu ki balai Shim benta ha ke baya de bat ban pha sumar bat Shim dawai na ki Jingpang bo pher.
Happy to know that RE Hospital, located at Jorabad, is now operational and has started its OPD facilities. On behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I extend my wishes of success to this hospital, which promises much for the underprivileged citizens of the state of Meghalaya, especially in the areas of healthcare facility. Having exposed myself to healthcare in the state of Meghalaya, I have keenly zeroed down on some of the facilities that RE Institute offers to the people of the state of Meghalaya. And yes, it is a fact that the government of Meghalaya on its own is inadequately able to provide healthcare facilities to the people of the state of Meghalaya. And it is partnering with private institutions such as RE, which will give the people of the state of Meghalaya an opportunity to access and avail modern technology and its intervention in healthcare for the people. Having browsed through the brochure, I understand that RE Institute will be able to provide opportunities for the people who are unwell in the state, especially in these various heads of institution: orthopedics, cancer, gastrosciences, mother and child care, neurological sciences, critical care, cardiology. Interesting to see that there's going to be available facilities for robotic sciences and kidney as well. I hope to see that the people of the state of Meghalaya benefit from the partnership that we are going to be encouraging with such private institutions. We are aware of the difficulties that the people of the state of Meghalaya face, where because of illness, families have to invest huge amounts in order to be able to save lives of their family members. It will be my endeavor to assist Mr. A.L. Heck, one of the members of the board of directors of RE, to empanel this institution so that the people of the state of Meghalaya may avail maximum facilities from this institution. We are in great crisis in the state with the rise of cancer in the state of Meghalaya. We have managed to put behind us mother care, and the mother mortality rate in the state of Meghalaya now has decreased substantially. We are now faced with child care agendas, and we hope that these kinds of mobile medical care facilities provided by private institutions will give opportunity to the people of the state wherever they go, so that they may understand the health challenges that each family faces. The people of the state of Meghalaya also need to understand that when we say health is wealth, we also need to know and understand the health challenges that we ourselves face. We feel scared to know what our ailments are. We want to stay far away from doctors. And it is this health camp that will enable people to understand their health challenges. I want to thank the Darbars both of... Once upon a time, when you talk about health camps, it was just something that hospitals did as part of their assistance to the public. But in this day and age, health camps of this nature have become very vital, because it is only in these kinds of camps that people suffering from various ailments understand the availability of facilities in their own neighborhood. Correctly said and observed by our parish priest, Jorabad is not very far. Jorabad is more or less a central point for the people of the state of Meghalaya. And if all of these facilities, as I see, become available and within reach of the people, I think it will benefit us greatly. We lost our brother to cancer, and it was very difficult for us even to avail a PET scan for my brother, who passed away just in 2021. So you can imagine that it was not long ago that even an above average family like ours had to travel extensively to avail health facilities for our brother when he was unwell. But I'm happy that today we likely have to travel only as far as Jorabad.